Okay, step 5. We're on the home stretch. We're almost done. So we just made this cool video. Now we need to reflect on this video and think to ourselves, how good was our video? Did we do a good job? And now I want to point out at the very bottom of this instruction document, you've got a cool little rubric. It shows you how this video is going to be scored, all the way from things that'll make it have a 4 as just an amazing, awesome video, all the way down to something that'll have the little crying, sad emoji where the video didn't fit the assignment. Like maybe you didn't do it, or maybe you made a video that was about something else completely compared to what the assignment asked for, and everything in between. And let's talk about getting a 4. So the video has to be well developed. Uh, that means it's got good information, clearly conveyed information. The video includes accurate information from the sources. So it's not just you talking about what you think about technology or innovation. You need to include things that you read about. You need to include information that you read in that packet. And then a 4 also has um, good grammar use, good sentence structure, and the key vocabulary. You use all these things correctly throughout the video. That'll give you a 4. And we go down from there, 3, 2, 1. I hope to see a lot of students getting 3s and 4s on this assignment. I think you can do it. So, how do you reflect on your video in Seesaw? It says here to go to your teacher's class in Seesaw. So I'm going to go to class link again. I'm going to go to Edu-Rostered Apps and go to Seesaw. And while that's loading, I'm going to come back to my instructions. My teacher's class. So for this video, I have my class that I'm going to have the student go to. So not third grade art, but I'm going to go to this class. This is the sample class for this assignment. But I want to be clear, when you turn this in for real, you're going to click on this and make sure that you are in your teacher's class. So this student is, if this student is in Miss Riggins' class, the student has to find Miss Riggins' classroom over here. It should be in the title somewhere. After you find the teacher's class, after you've got the class right, click on Activities. And then you need to click on the Advancements in Technology Reflection assignment. If you don't see this assignment, that might be a clue that you're in the wrong class. So make sure you're in the right class. After you find the assignment, click Add Response. And I've got some instructions here. I've even got these 2 pages of the assignment, page 1, page 2. I'm going to look at page 1. It says upload my Adobe Creative Cloud Express video to this page. It says to click on this one first. Okay. And then it says to click upload. Okay. And then it says to go to my downloads. Here are my downloads. And there's that video I downloaded earlier. Open. It's going to upload my video. And I can drag from the corner in order to make it cover this whole page. Nice. Very good. Nice. So I did part 1, putting my video up here. And I've watched it many times because I'm a good student and I want to make sure that my video sounds good. So I'm going to come down here to 2 and give myself a score. Let's see, it says drag the check marks to score my own video. All right. Well, my video is pretty short, so I need to say that it's underdeveloped, unfortunately. You saw it. I only finished 2 slides, I think, just because I was making a video for this, for these instructions. Hopefully you get to drag yours way up here on 3 or 4. I can also say that it shows some accurate information from the source. Actually, yeah, I think I'll leave that there. And then I'll say that I use pretty good sentence structure and grammar throughout, I think. So I only needed 3 of those check marks. I don't need any more. And then I need to record myself explaining why I scored myself this way, why I scored my video this way. And I don't have to talk a lot, only, 30 seconds to a minute or so. Just reflect on your work. How do you think you did? And to record yourself talking, you'll click on this little microphone. Again, if you have this little pop-up that asks if it can use your microphone, click allow. And then I need to get ready to talk. Hi, thank you for watching my video. I would score myself at a 2 on information from the source because I did have a few things from the source, like the fact that the telephone was one of the innovations around communication, but that's all I had. I didn't have much more than that, so I think I could have done better there. I only had one example from the text. Okay, so you would keep talking, explain why you gave yourself that score. Remember, it'll be about a half a minute to a minute. You could go longer if you want. And then when you're done talking, you'll click on this little pause button. You'll click on this little done button. If you want, you can play back your recording, but I think I did fine. So now to turn it in, to be all done, I click on this check mark right here. And I'll see this uploading icon, and that's it. If I wanted to see my response, I can click on it, and it shows page 1. I can play my video, and then I can move on to the next slide to play my self-evaluation. And that's it. Let's see. Let's see how we're doing with the instructions. I reflected on my video. Done. Anything else? No, there's just the rubric. And that's it. After step 5, I'm all done. Nice work, everybody. Thank you for working hard to create an amazing video to share your learning, and have a great day.